Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a clean LinkedIn profile URL. I'm on LinkedIn right now, and sometimes your link has extra numbers at the end, like linkedin.com in your name and then 123 ABC. But you want it simple, like linkedin.com slash in and your name. So to fix it, I click me at the top right, choose view profile. Then on the right, I hit edit public profile and URL. And on the next screen at the top right, I click the pencil beside edit your custom URL, delete any extra numbers or letters. So it's just your name. And if your exact name is taken, try a middle initial or a dash. And then I click save. And that's it. Your link should now look clean with no random numbers. Add it to your email signature, your business cards, and anywhere you want people to connect with you. So if this helped you out, drop a comment and tell me what you want to learn next about LinkedIn.